Hello, investors. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into India's power sector and uncovering the potential of a key player poised for a substantial growth. In recent times, we have seen that the power sector companies have outperformed the market, with some stocks delivering multi bagger returns. This remarkable performance has been driven by several factors, including the Indian government's ambitious plans for the power sector. Before we dive in, we need to understand why there is a huge opportunity in the power sector. Government of India under the Ministry of Power formulated something known as the National Electricity Plan, which was aimed at meeting the growing electricity requirements and to ensure an uninterrupted power supply to each and every stakeholder. By 2027, about 4,75,000 crores will be invested in the power transmission sector alone as part of this plan. And currently, under this plan, only 96,000 crores worth of projects have been awarded, with additional 84,000 crores in pipeline and rest amount still not open for the bidding. This substantial investment is a huge opportunity for companies involved in this sector. To appreciate the impact of this investment, let's briefly look at the opportunities in the power value chain, which includes three major components: generation, transmission, and distribution. Let's start with generation. This involves power plants using renewable or non renewable energy sources, including wind, solar, thermal, nuclear, or hydro. Given India's reliance on thermal power, the government has mandated flue gas desulfurification units in the thermal plants to reduce harmful emissions of sulfur dioxide. And in the transmission sector, the power generated in the power plant is transported to distribution companies via transmission lines. To increase efficiency and decrease transmission losses, the government is planning to set up ultra high voltage transmission lines, such as 1200 kV lines, for long distance power transmission. With substantial investments in this sector, tuning to about 4 lakh crores, this is a multi year, multi decadal opportunity. And at the distribution sector, we know that the discoms or distribution companies deliver electricity to end consumers. Despite improvements, India still faces high distribution losses, around 20% compared to the nominal 8 to 10%. A significant factor is power theft, which the government aims to combat by replacing traditional meters with smart metering systems. Before we talk about the company which is poised to benefit from these developments, a standard disclaimer: I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. Any stocks mentioned are purely for business analysis and not for buy or sell recommendations. Please consult your financial advisor before making any financial decisions. Now, let's talk about the company that's well positioned to capitalize on these opportunities: Techno Electric and Engineering Company. This is a EPC company which is engineering, procurement and construction service provider in the power sector. They specialize in power generation, transmission and distribution projects, and they have a strong track record of delivering high quality projects on time. With the government's massive investment capex, Techno Electric stands to benefit significantly. Now let's break down the thesis points for Techno Electric. Starting with the FGD, which is flue gas desulfurification, the government aims to invest amount about 95,000 crores in this sector, and Techno Electric is targeting about 1,000 crores each year from this segment alone. And moving on to the transmission sector, we have spoken about this quite a few times in this video, but yeah, there is going to be a substantial investment in the transmission sector. And Techno Electric is targeting about 2,000 crores each year, and this might increase given the upward guidance given by the management. And moving on to the smart meter segment. Even in this segment, Techno is targeting about 2,000 crores each year. And cumulatively, all this stands out 5,000 plus crores, For a company which has an annual revenue of 1000 crores, 5000 crores seems to be a huge jump in their expectations. Not only that, the company has also dived into data centers. Following the data localization policy, there has been a massive push towards setting up data centers in India. Techno Electric also stands to benefit from this trend as well. And Techno Electric is a company with a market cap of approximately 10,000 crores, but their current order book stands at well over 10,000 crores. Moving over to the valuation, even though the order book gives us a near time visibility about the company's prospected earnings, but still the stock had a massive run up in the last 1 year. And currently, the valuations are quite stretched, and any negative surprises in the results might lead to sharp decline. But due to the increased capex in all the business segments which the company is catering to, we would have to closely watch this counter. Now, starting with the antithesis points for this company, in any EPC company, order execution is crucial. Delay in the execution cycle can be very costly, as seen with other EPC players over the years. And also with the data center business is still in the nascent stages for this company, and the asset turns and the revenue from this segment are not yet established. This could be the antithesis points for this company. But still, given the massive potential in the transmission sector and also the FGD and other sectors which the company is catering to, this could well be in our radar. In our next video, we'll dive into another business where we are witnessing massive tailwinds. We will try to explore about the businesses which stands to benefit most out of the tailwinds currently in any sector. So, what are you waiting for? Electrify your portfolio, seize the opportunity, and get ready to witness the power of investing in tailwinds firsthand. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and let's make some serious money together. I'll see you in the next video where we'll uncover the hidden gems in the world of investing. Stay tuned, stay curious, and stay winning.